If you have a C6 Corvette with the crummy stock halogen lights, it's time for an upgrade. Introducing the all-new Morimoto XB Headlights for your vehicle. With their full LED daytime running light, the sequential LED turn signal, and the high output bi-LED projector, it's the absolute upgrade you need for your vehicle. When it comes to output, the XB headlights absolutely decimate the stock halogen lights. These XB headlights come equipped with a powerful bi-LED projector that produces a very wide, very bright, and well-distributed beam pattern for excellent visibility in both low and high beam modes. There's no replacing of any bulbs whatsoever. It's a complete LED housing. When it comes to the turn signals, the upper DRL strip does double duty as a switchback amber LED turn signal that runs sequentially from one side to the other as the turn signal blinks. So doing the install isn't going to be that difficult. First, you're going to begin by jacking up the car and securing it on jack stands, putting the car on a lift or pulling it onto a set of ramps. Removing the wheels is not required. Remove the 3 push clips from the top of the fender liner by prying out the top portion of the clip, then prying out the main body of the clip. Remove the 5 T15 torque screws along the outer edge of the fender liner. Remove the 2 7mm screws and 1 10mm nut. Pull the tab off the stud where the nut was removed and pull the fender liner off of the car. With the fender liner removed, disconnect the side marker light connection. Remove the side marker assembly by squeezing in 2 tabs securing it and pushing it out. Reach behind the bumper and unplug the fog lamp bulb. Remove the 2 10mm nuts securing the side of the bumper to the fender. Repeat those steps on the other side of the car. Moving to the underside of the front bumper, remove the 5 7mm screws securing the bumper to the bottom of the car and 2 7mm screws connecting the outer portions of the air dam to the center. Open the hood of the car, remove the 4 T15 torque screws from the top edge of the hood with the bumper now fully unbolted from the car, lift up on the top edge of the hood and then pull the bumper from the car. Unplug the main headlight connector shown and remove the 3 10mm nuts securing the headlight to the car. Remove the 6 T15 torque screws from the top edge of the fender and the 1 10mm nut from the bottom of the fender by the headlight. This will allow the fender to be removed slightly to allow the headlight to be removed. Be careful not to flex the fender too much and crack the fiberglass, but the fender will be able to move enough for the headlight to clear the opening. Open the under hood fuse box and locate the 15 amp fuse in fuse slot number 6. Install the supplied fuse tap harness into the number 6 fuse slot you just removed the fuse from. Close the lid to the fuse box and route the harness forward to the passenger side headlight so the shorter connector is below the headlight cavity. Then route the longer portion of the harness across the front of the car to the driver's side headlight cavity. Secure the wires out of the way as you go. Connect the supplied resistors to the gray connectors on the headlight as shown. Fit the new headlights into the headlight cavity by again flexing upwards and outwards on the fender gently and sliding the headlight into place. So if you're looking for better performance and better styling out of your headlights, head on over to morimotolighting.com to check out these headlights as well as all the other products we carry. All you have to do is type your year, make, and model into our buyer's guide and you'll see them all there.